Great, so I already had the perfect introduction because we already heard about light and invisible cloaks, and we also heard about geohazards in the talk just before. So thank you very much for that introduction. I'm going to change this a little. Instead of talking about invisible cloaks, I'm talking about invisible light, microwaves, and instead of talking about earthquake, I'll use volcanoes. To start off, I'd like to ask the two of the judges to come and join me on stage. Quickly, if you please, that would be fantastic. So, what we're going to do is we're trying to assess the potential of a volcano to erupt from space. So we're talking about centimeters that we're trying to measure, and I'm going to explain to you how. One of you will be my volcano, if that's all right. Could you please put this t-shirt on? That would be fantastic, thank you. And you will be my satellite in that case. Could you come over here, right next to this? Please be careful with it. I need to give it back to the son of my supervisor after the show, so it's really important. Great. So we're talking about microwaves. I painted this microwave here on top of this really colorful classified phase information. So what we measure at the satellite is where on the curve of the microwave we are when the signal that we sent out comes back to the center. I'm going to show you what this means. So, satellite, please come over here. That would be fantastic. Could you hold this for me? So you're sending out the signal, right? We're sending out this wave that travels along here. It comes up to the volcano surface. Could you hold this onto your t-shirt? Remember where exactly, because it's really important that it stays at the same point. The microwave gets scattered and it moves all the way back towards the center. And which color is it when we come back?
Red.
Red. Okay, so we are at phase red. So this will always be red if we take the exact same picture all the time again. But what happens if our volcano changes, if it builds up a lava pillow? Could you hold this too? It's going to be a bit difficult. I'm sorry for that. So we're having a lava pillow here. Could you put this under the shirt? Or just on top of it, that's also fine. But, you know, the volcano will be building up the lava below. Now put it down here, and then let's see what happens. I'll take that from you for a second. Okay. So we're sending out the wave again. Ooh, sorry for that. So, could you hold this here? We're sending it back, and what happens is, what color is it now?
Orange.
So we changed the phase, and this change in phase is actually what we measure. And this allows us to make centimeter differences from space. I'm Gwendolyn Dasser. Thank you very much for your assistance. And that is Geohazard from Space.